What's up everyone, my name is Ruben and today I'm teaching you how to install advanced Themer with your breakdance website. What's happening? Oh, welcome everybody. My name is Ruben and today I'm going to teach you how to install advanced Themer into your website. Your breakdance website. Are you ready? Download your advanced Themer off your website. Don't be using bootleg websites and stealing this plugin. Support the developer. As you can see, I've downloaded 2.5.3, and when you're ready to install it, you grab it and you install it. You see how easy that was? You grab it and you take it to this little icon called the trash and you throw it away. Because my friends, it doesn't work. It doesn't work with breakdance. And you don't want it to work. Have a great day.